This is Matt Cantrell with MC Inspections with how to use Spectora's repair requester in 90 seconds or less. This is a feature included with every home inspection done by MC Inspections. It is designed to help you negotiate repairs to the home you're purchasing and can be used easily by the agent or the client. First of all, you'll come to your main inspection page. You'll come up to Report Tools, click the drop-down menu, go to Repair Request Builder. It'll open up a page similar to this. It'll have all your defects listed. You can click on all defects or certain defects that you want repaired. So if you want the damaged fencing repaired, you can ask for a credit, say $500. You can also leave a comment saying you want repair. Once you've selected all of your items, you can come up here and check it out, see what it's going to look like. This is the repair request list, so what it's going to look like to the person you sent it to. It's going to tell you the total credit requested and what items you want repaired. So back to the repair requester and then click create. And then it'll give you a link so you can click on it. You can send this link to anybody you like. It'll give them a copy of the report, or you can email it or text it to whoever. This is Matt Cantrell with MC Home Inspections and how to use Repair Requester.